Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video. I am looking at our kitchen all done, makeovered and all, and so I'm really excited to share this with you. But I am going to be sharing with you guys in today's video my 2-day kitchen makeover. It is budget friendly, renter friendly if your landlord allows painting, and I'm just really excited about it. So without further ado, let's get on into the makeover now. Alright guys, so I actually had to put this into 2 separate videos. So today is going to be my prepping my kitchen for our makeover as stated in the title. So I'm going to share with you guys how we are painting our cabinets and walls and basically just how to paint prep. So if you don't know how to prep for starting a kitchen makeover, I'm going to share with you guys how to do that in this video here. The first step when prepping your kitchen for a makeover or for prepping the walls, what you do is you just want to give them a really good wash. So this is the product I'm using on my walls. It was so good and so easy to use. You literally just dilute it in water and give them a wash. So I kind of started doing that, and I didn't realize how many nails were in this wall. So I thought I got them all out, but I didn't. So I went back and got the rest of them out and then continuing to wipe everything down with that solution. For my kitchen, the walls were really dirty. The baseboards were disgusting, and because I ended up painting the baseboards as well, I wanted to make sure I wiped literally everything down. So everything that you plan on painting, you want to give a really good wipe. I scrubbed hard, and I'm not gonna lie, I was actually so sore after doing this. Now that I have finished washing the walls, I'm going ahead and filling the holes with this spackle. This was really easy to do actually. I had never spackled before, but my mother-in-law taught me. She's kind of like the DIY god. So I was really happy to have her help on this project of mine. She was amazing and really and truly helped me. And she's also what kind of got me to do this video for you guys, to kind of give you the tips on how to prep your kitchen. Next, we are going ahead and taking out all of this old caulking. It was so bad, you guys, like I can't even. So we are just going ahead and taking this little tool here to really get in there to take it all out. And we are going to re-caulk the entire countertop after we paint the countertops as well, which I will share with you guys in a future video. So if you are excited about this and if you're wanting to learn how to do more DIY kitchen makeovers and stuff, and for the final reveal, make sure that you hit that red subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up, and I will continue to do more home DIY videos for you guys. Next is the painting. So this is the tape that I used, and I'm just going ahead and taping everything except for the roof. So one of the things that I found with the tape is when you are going vertically, I found it a lot easier to go down up rather than up to down. And that was just a really good hack for me. And then you'll notice I didn't push the tape down. I actually left it almost like a lip, and it caught any excess paint that were to drip off, and it made it really easy, really neat, and really clean for us while we were prepping for the paint that is about to happen. so once we were basically done taping, it was time to take off the electrical faces. So we just went ahead and did that really quickly, and I gave them a really nice wash, which I'm not actually showing in the video as I didn't record that, but I did wash them and wait till the reveal where I show you guys them. They looked so much better. All right, so we're going to do the first swatch of the gray.
Here, we'll do it over these.
There you go.
Oh, you got these?
Yeah.
Yeah, these are bumpy walls. Hopefully the rollers.
All right, so here my mother-in-law is doing the edges and then I was the roller. It was so nice to have a helping hand with this. My husband had to work and he was actually watching the kids for us while we were doing this paint job. He would have rather done that than painted the house. So I was really happy to have that second hand. This project took us literally, I feel like, no time at all compared to if I would have had to do it myself. So I was really lucky to have my mother-in-law help. So again, I'm just finishing up wiping the walls before I go ahead and start rolling. And my mother-in-law gave me a couple tips that I'm so excited to share with you guys when it comes to rolling. So stay tuned for that coming up soon. So really and truly, you guys, the prep prior to the painting is what takes the most work. The painting itself doesn't take a lot of time or work at all. And so I would advise even, maybe prepping the day before you're ready to paint, or even the night before you're ready to paint, to kind of cut down on some time if you are on a time limit. All right, guys, it is time to start rolling. So first tip is you want to get your brush really nice and kind of wet, I guess, with the paint. And then you just want to kind of rub the excess off while still keeping quite a bit of paint on your brush. My mother-in-law recommended, second tip, to go kind of like in an X and then kind of going up and down vertically afterwards. The X just ensures that you get all of the extra paint on, as that is obviously your first stroke has the most paint. And then you'll notice here I'm kind of going up and down in really quick motions. You don't have to put a lot of pressure when you're doing this. You really just want to try and do not super long strokes, nice and short ones up and down there to really get the paint on evenly. And then I don't show this on camera, but what I did is I would start at the top and give it a big roll down so it was nice and even, and the walls turned out so good. On top of that, I'm trying to get really close to the edges so that my mother-in-law doesn't have as much work to do along the edges while she's painting those by hand, as rolling takes literally no time at all. Last but not least, it is time to prime this place right here where some of the raw wood is showing. So anywhere where you have raw wood, you want to make sure that you prime. So I just did kind of nice, thick, even coat on it. And you'll notice we didn't prime the rest of the walls and the paint stuck very well. Alright guys, so this is what the walls look like so far. In my next video, I'm going to share with you guys how to paint your cabinets and stuff, and I will show you the big reveal coming up really soon, so stay tuned for that. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, and we will see you guys in my next video. Bye.